Let me share with you guys the secret to cleaning mesh shoes.
If you have white mesh shoes that look like this, I know it's awful, but here's how to clean them. Now remember, what I'm showing here is specifically for white mesh shoes. You don't want to go ahead and use this for something else and end up causing bleaching stains. But the secret here is straight up hydrogen peroxide. You need to spray hydrogen peroxide, use a brush, but I'm going to show you right here with the microfiber cloth just how big of a difference it makes. Watch this. But now take the brush and scrub everything properly and use the microfiber cloth with a little bit of water to wash everything off. Now look at the difference. You can see the one on the right I've already done quite a bit. It's not fully done yet, but look at the difference between the two. And now this side that I'm doing, check this out. You see the difference? That is hydrogen peroxide. Now, if you have other shoes, you can use vinegar and Dawn soap as well. But if you have white mesh shoes, hydrogen peroxide all the way, it works way better.